Step into a realm where your mind and body find harmony, as we journey through a series of stretches that will transport you to a place of rejuvenation and relief. Discover a world where back pain melts away and tension dissipates, allowing you to reclaim your vitality and freedom of movement. Are you ready to embrace the cool and liberating world of back pain relief? Let's begin. Number 8. Cat-Cow Stretch. The cat-cow stretch is a fantastic exercise to relieve back pain. Get down on all fours, with your hands directly under your shoulders and knees under your hips. Take a deep breath in and arch your back like a stretching cat, lifting your chest and head towards the ceiling. Then exhale and round your back like an angry cat, tucking your chin towards your chest. Repeat these movements, flowing with your breath, for a few rounds. It helps to loosen up your spine, reduce tension, and improve flexibility. Just remember to go at your own pace and stop if you feel any pain. Give it a try and see how it makes your back feel. Number 7. Child's Pose. Child's Pose is a soothing stretch that can provide relief for your back. Start by kneeling on the floor, then slowly lower your buttocks back towards your heels while extending your arms forward. Allow your forehead to rest gently on the ground and relax your entire body. This posture gently stretches your lower back, lengthens the spine, and releases tension in the back muscles. It's a calming pose that promotes relaxation and can help alleviate discomfort. Take slow, deep breaths as you sink into the stretch, and stay in the position for as long as it feels comfortable. Child's Pose is a wonderful stretch to incorporate into your routine, especially when you need a moment of tranquility while also giving your back some much-needed relief. Number 6. Piriformis Stretch. The Piriformis Stretch targets the piriformis muscle, which can often contribute to lower back pain when it becomes tight or inflamed. To perform this stretch, begin by lying on your back with both knees bent. Cross one leg over the other, resting the ankle just above the knee of the opposite leg. Then, gently grasp the thigh of the bottom leg and slowly pull it towards your chest until you feel a stretch in your buttock and outer hip area. Hold this position for about 30 seconds while taking deep breaths. Repeat the stretch on the other side. The Piriformis Stretch helps to release tension in the piriformis muscle, improving flexibility and reducing strain on the lower back. It can be particularly beneficial for individuals experiencing sciatic nerve pain, as the sciatic nerve often runs beneath or through the piriformis muscle. Remember to perform the stretch gently and avoid forcing any movements. Number 5. Hamstring Stretch. The hamstring stretch is an effective stretch for relieving tension in the back and promoting flexibility in the hamstrings, which can contribute to back pain when tight. To perform this stretch, lie on your back and extend one leg straight up into the air. Loop a towel or strap around the sole of your foot and gently pull your leg towards you, keeping your knee straight. You should feel a gentle stretch in the back of your thigh and calf. Hold this position for about 30 seconds, breathing deeply and allowing the muscle to relax. Then, switch to the other leg and repeat the stretch. The hamstring stretch helps to lengthen and loosen the muscles in the back of your legs, which can in turn alleviate strain on your lower back. It's important to avoid jerking or bouncing while stretching, as this can lead to injury. Gradually increase the intensity of the stretch over time, but always within a comfortable range. Number 4. Sphinx Pose. Sphinx Pose is a stretch that targets the muscles in your lower back and can help alleviate pain and tension. Start by lying on your stomach and prop yourself up onto your forearms, keeping your elbows directly under your shoulders. Press your forearms into the floor and lift your chest, gently arching your back. Hold this position for about 30 seconds while taking deep breaths. Sphinx Pose helps to strengthen your back muscles and promote spinal flexibility. It's a gentle stretch that can be done anytime, especially when you need a quick break from sitting or want to relieve discomfort in your lower back. Just remember to listen to your body and avoid overextending your back. Number 3. Knee to Chest Stretch. The knee to chest stretch is a simple yet effective way to relieve tension in your lower back and stretch your glutes and hips. Start by lying on your back with your knees bent. Slowly bring one knee towards your chest and grasp it with your hands. Hold the position for about 30 seconds, feeling a gentle stretch in your lower back and buttock area. Then, switch legs and repeat on the other side. This stretch helps to release tightness in the muscles of your lower back and promotes flexibility. It's a great exercise to do after a long day or when you wake up in the morning. Remember to breathe deeply and relax into the stretch, adjusting the intensity as needed. Number 2. Seated forward bend. Sit on the floor with your legs extended in front of you. Slowly hinge forward from your hips, reaching for your toes or ankles. As you fold forward, allow your spine to lengthen and your head to relax. Don't force the stretch, go only as far as you feel comfortable. Hold this position for about 30 seconds, breathing deeply and feeling the gentle stretch in your back and the back of your legs. The seated forward bend helps to improve flexibility in the posterior chain, which includes the back, hamstrings, and calves. It's a great stretch to include in your routine, especially if you spend a lot of time sitting. Remember to maintain proper alignment and avoid rounding your back. Number 1. Pigeon Pose. Pigeon Pose is a popular stretch that targets the hips and can provide relief for tight glute and piriformis muscles, which can contribute to back pain. Start in a high plank position, and then bring one knee forward and place it behind your wrist, with your ankle near your opposite hip. Extend your other leg straight back. Lower your upper body towards the ground, feeling a deep stretch in your hip and buttock. Hold this position for about 30 seconds, allowing your muscles to relax and the stretch to deepen. Then, switch sides and repeat. Pigeon Pose helps to increase hip mobility, release tension in the glutes, and alleviate pressure on the lower back. And of course, make sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting culinary adventures. Thanks for joining us, and until next time, stay curious, stay healthy. As our journey through these invigorating stretches comes to a close, we hope you've found solace in the knowledge that relief from back pain is within reach. Remember, these stretches are just the beginning of your path towards a healthier, more comfortable back. Incorporate them into your daily routine, listen to your body, and explore other exercises and practices that support your well-being.